In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice using Wave Accounting, specifically tailored for beginners. Creating an invoice on Wave is a straightforward process but can have significant components that you should understand to make your workflow efficient. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Wave Accounting website. On the home page, you'll notice a Sign In button located conveniently at the top right of the screen. Give it a click. This will take you to the Sign In page, where you can opt to sign in using your Google account for a hassle-free login experience. Choose your Google account to continue. Once you're inside the Wave dashboard, focus your attention on the left panel. Here, Wave organizes all your main tools such as the dashboard, sales, payments, purchases, receipts, and accounting, among others. They provide you with a quick, comprehensive snapshot of your business activity and performance. Also, don't overlook the top right corner where your account profile is displayed. It's not just your profile. It's a gateway to your settings where you can customize your experience and manage your account details. To start creating an invoice, look to the top left panel and click on Create New. This option opens up various tools, including those for transactions, estimates, and more. For the purpose of today's task, we will be focusing on creating an invoice. Click on that. With the invoice screen open, your first task is to add a customer. Click Add a Customer, and you will be able to choose from your already established customer profiles or create a new one. Tailor the profile as necessary. With your customer chosen, it's time to specify the details of your invoice. Start by selecting the invoice date, which is the date when this invoice will be registered. Adjacent to it, decide and set the payment due date, providing your customer with a clear timeline for their payment. Next, move on to adding an item. Select Add an Item and choose the product or service you are billing your customer for. You should also specify the quantity of each product or service. Once you've got your items set, double-check the price. Ensure all figures align accurately with what you intend to charge or make adjustments if something looks off. Additionally, you can include taxes on your items, where applicable, ensuring your invoice complies with legal financial regulations. And below, you'll find the option to add an attachment. Use this feature to include any necessary supporting documents or references your customer might need with their invoice. When everything checks out, press Save and Continue. This action saves your progress and allows you to review your invoice. Ready to finalize? Hit Approve Draft. Once approved, it's time for the ultimate step, sending your invoice. Click on Send Invoice. Lastly, confirm by clicking Mark Invoice as Sent. Now your invoice journey is complete. You've successfully created and dispatched an invoice on Wave Accounting, an essential skill to have in your business toolkit.